welcome to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're already my subscriber, then welcome back. This video is all about minimalistic, very simple, very easy ways to decorate your dining tablescape. In fact, you will see that the tips are so simple that you don't even have to go out and buy anything, because you'd probably have them in your house. So this beautiful house that I'm living right now is an army accommodation. So we have been provided with some basic furniture and including this dining table, which at my first glance I really did not like. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the tablecloth. It gives a little sense of formality, plus it covers up the table and also adds a sense of style to me, and I totally love this print. So I'm no professional by any means, but I love doing flower arrangements. So now I'm gonna just start by assembling. I took out the roses. Sorry, these are not roses, these are carnations, and just try to take most of the leaves off. I usually cut them at an angle and make sure that they're tall enough to fit in the vase that I chose. And then I'm gonna just start placing them in there. I usually crisscross the stems so that they look pretty in water. Love these candles. They are flameless candles. These can be set a little bit closer also to the flower arrangement. That's why I like flameless for my tablescape any day. And in general, I like fake or flameless candles more because I feel like they're a little bit safer also for a family. What do you think, guys? So I'm putting these cozy, colorful cushions to cover up the chairs. I think it's making the space feel so much happier. So I'm adding color with these fun pom-pom throw cushions which I got from Forever 21. Okay, I found that it looks so much more pleasing to the eyes when you intentionally place some jars or serving wares like these funky spice jars in between to make it all pop with a bit of color. Personally I love uncluttered dining table. It makes mealtime so much more pleasurable, knowing that you can focus all of your attention on the food that you're enjoying. So for me, it's all about keep it simple and decluttered, using just few pieces to add style to your space and just tuck the rest away in that cabinet. Okay, so I'm such a sucker in drinking water. Especially in the summertime, you need to stay hydrated, and I always feel so much better if I'm drinking tons and tons of water. Drinking regular water, I know it can be sometimes very boring, so I call this my spa water. You have some lime, water, oranges and orange slices, and you can add mint too, whatever you feel like. So it gives a tangy essence, so it just tastes really nice, and so I really like, and this makes drinking water a lot easier for me. And I always try keeping it in front because I believe the more I actually see the food, the more likely I'll be using it. So it's both functional and pretty, so it's a win-win situation if you ask me. Plus it's a reminder to take that daily dose of vitamin C for me as well as for my family. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it, and if you're gonna try any of these tips that I mentioned, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know about it. Yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.